This video is a comparison between the Royal Master TG 12x4 Servo Cycle and the TG 12x4 Autocycle. This is our old Autocycle. We start with the Autocycle unit, air and hydraulic motor. Now driven by touch screen and servo motor. Okay. So we have retract position on the Autocycle. Be back here. This is going to be back against the nut. That is now controlled by retract position. You can type in exactly where you want it to go. For the start position of your meter grind, it's going to be the same thing on the front side of these nuts here. The speed control for that will be on the old hydro check. Now that's controlled by your fine velocity. Go from a 50 millionths up to an inch a second. We also have load position, and we can turn on to the switch here that would have been located on the Autocycle there. The other advancements of the Servo Cycle is the ability to have coarse and fine grind, so we can slow down and control the speeds that much more. We break down from your start position to your coarse position. We can break down again from your coarse to your fine, and then again from your fine to your finish position to zero. We can break down all the speeds that you want to have control of down here at the bottom. We have your card ejector. Control here for timer. Card ejector on and off with the click of a button here. Your card ejector would have to be set there with the cam. The coolant, control our dress coolant and grind coolant with the push of a button, as well as automatically with your grind sequence, compared to the old turn lever. For our spark out dwell, we have a timer set there where we can control from 0 to 60 seconds, compared to the old timer in the box here.
Spark out well, retract well, same way.
Same with the retract well timer in there. It's going to be your retract well timer here. We have our cycle start. It's going to be the same as cycle start. We have our stop, retract. It's going to be the same as our stop, retract here.
Auto, manual.
We have our auto manual switch there. We have our manual and automatic switch here. We have our feeder on off here, and our feeder on off there.
Reg wheel speed.
We have our regulating wheel speed. Go through all speed driving universal. Crank that up. Now is simply the push of a button. Same goes for the dressers, for your speed control on your dressers. We go to our work wheel dresser, and you can change your dress velocity here. minimum of 4th thou, maximum of 1/2 inch, and our retract velocity, minimum of 4th thou, maximum of 2 inches.
Size compensation.
For sizing compensations, you would first loosen your lever here, followed by making the adjustment on your 4-handed sizing dial and ensuring that it is seen on your dial indicator. Now, for your size compensations, you have your ram compensation here, however much you want to move, from 50 millionths, let's say. We can press minus to make it smaller. Reset the total comp values. We'll be able to see that show up on the ramp position as well as our indicator.